There is a divine plan and order to the events unfolding in your life, even though things may feel uncertain or chaotic at times. Trust that you are being divinely guided and supported every step of the way. Your angels want you to know with unwavering certainty that you are exactly where you need to be in this moment, fulfilling your highest purpose. This is the sign you've been waiting for, the confirmation that you are exactly where you're meant to be and on the right path forward. Your relationships are a vital and sacred aspect of your life's journey, acting as potent vehicles for your healing, growth, and evolution. Whether you're looking for a romantic partner, deep platonic connections, or a combination of both, know that you are supported and surrounded by the loving energies of the heavens above. Your angels are working non-stop to ensure that the right people and relationships enter your life at the right time. If you're going through tough times right now, know that this is all part of the divine plan to lead you toward the wholesome, fulfilling relationships you deserve. Just concentrate on expressing your true wants and desires. Have faith that you will be cared for, and prepare to receive new and revitalizing relationships as they come your way. It's time to stop idly watching your life play out without your influence, and start actively participating in it. God is with you in every trial, every challenge, every moment of pain or uncertainty. He sees the entirety of your story. Continue to pray fervently, seeking God's divine guidance at every turn. Immerse yourself in His holy word. Allow the timeless truths and promises contained within to wash over you and take root in your heart. Speak those promises out loud over your life. Declare them with unwavering faith and trust. The exquisite tapestry He is crafting from the strands of your life encounters the pain. Your story of injustice and adversity won't end there. Rather, they are the necessary components that will be turned into a potent testament to God's mercy, grace, and restorative power as you get closer to His heart. You're discovering new depths within yourself and realizing your potential in ways you may not have thought were possible. You are literally on the verge of a significant life-changing transformation because of the daily, consistent work you are putting in to become a better, more authentic version of yourself. The belief and confidence you are cultivating in yourself and your abilities is being felt throughout the entire cosmos, and your intuition is sharper. Your ability to make decisions more clearly and your forward momentum, this new clarity is unstoppable and will be your guiding light, illuminating every step of the way for you. Make prayer a part of your daily life. Before you react to a problem, say a prayer. Pray before you act. Pray before you give counsel or guidance to someone else. Pray before you establish a connection with someone. Pray before you try to rectify or confront. Pray before you take any action at all. Let God speak first to give you the insight, understanding, and perspective you require. Making prayer a priority alters how you navigate the world. One of the most powerful tools for transformation in this life is the power of consistency. Prayer can align your thoughts, shift your focus, and give you an unshakable sense of confidence. It may not always change your external circumstances, but it will surely transform you from the inside out. Many individuals get caught up in the time frame and worry about how long something will take to happen, but the key that will unlock significant life-altering transformation is your capacity to faithfully perform modest incremental acts again. Your angels want you to let God handle the timing. Your sole focus should be on maintaining steadfast consistency in the daily practices, habits, and mindsets that will carry you forward. You are not too late, you have not missed your window of opportunity, and you are not falling behind the divine timing for your breakthrough, which is unfolding in perfect alignment. Manifest this obsession with time often leads to inaction as they become paralyzed by the perceived pressure of the clock. Just keep going, keep working, and you'll see your consistency pay off in incredible ways. Prepare yourself for a double portion restoration from the Lord, child of God. He has not forgotten the suffering, loss, and injustice you have endured, and He has witnessed the enemy's attempts to deprive you of your blessings and pull you down. However, now is your chance to experience restoration on a scale you have never experienced before. God is going to intervene and give you back far more than you ever lost. And the Spirit of the Lord is saying that life is going to become utterly beautiful for you. Just wait and see what I have in store for you. The tides are turning, and you are about to see a breathtaking reversal of your circumstances. So open your heart to embrace this amazing outpouring of divine compensation and restoration. 11:11 If you are prepared to experience this miraculous breakthrough, dear child, have you ever wondered why you haven't been able to manifest? It's easy if you're a spiritual person seeking to transform your life and the life of your circle. You simply need something different, Southwest. Pay close attention to this message. After hearing this 1-minute prayer, you will begin to attract wealth and abundance in less than 7 days. Blessings will pour into your life. This 1-minute prayer from biblical times manifests wealth and abundance into your life. Would you want it? God says, "My beloved child, a celebration is coming. You've been in a season of silence, and it's left you feeling confused and questioning where God is in the middle of it all. But know this: God, power and glory are about to make a resounding statement over your life. The quiet you've experienced is about to be shattered by the sounds of victory and celebration." Click the link below to learn the wealth secrets of divine prayer to attract wealth and abundance into your life. The struggle you've been fighting is about to end. And now is the time to be ready for a victory cry that will resound throughout every aspect of your life. I hear the Spirit of the Lord proclaim that things are turning around, that the turning point has arrived. What has been delayed will no longer be held back. The tipping point has been achieved, and you are now at the verge of an incredible transformation. In a matter of minutes, the developments you have been waiting for will start to materialize, and the breakthroughs that appeared so far off will unexpectedly you'll discover yourself in one of those bizarre situations within reach. The blessings you have longed for are beginning to appear before your very eyes. Pinch me, I'm dreaming. Will He do it? Yes, He will, and the timing is ideal. This trip hasn't been simple. The waiting and the uncertainty have all been a part of God's plan, but I hope you can feel in your heart that the sacrifice is worthwhile. Beyond this difficult and silent time of year, there is breathtaking beauty waiting for you. The challenges you overcame weren't in vain. Rather, they were paving the way for something much bigger than you could have ever imagined. God is using your life to create a story that will uplift and inspire a great number of people. This story, full of His glory, will serve as a testament to what happens when we stay obedient and steadfast in our faith. It's acceptable to take a break, take a deep breath, and let go of the things that have been weighing you down. But even when you do, don't give up, because there is still so much more and so much glory waiting for your obedience. Your story is not finished. It is only getting started. The pages that remain to be written will recount of God's amazing faithfulness, the miracles that only He could accomplish, and the peace that comes from knowing He is in control during this transition. Cling to the assurance found in Philippians 4 verse 7 *, and the peace of God, which surpasses all comprehension, will keep your hearts and minds safe in Christ Jesus. If you believe in the Lord, hold fast to your faith and get ready to celebrate like this video if you're ready to see God's power and glory displayed in your life in ways you've never imagined. The wait is almost over, the victory is near, and your story of God's goodness is about to unfold in the most beautiful way that Jesus says. This peace, which defies logic and surpasses all human understanding, will be your constant companion as you step into this new chapter. It will guard your heart against doubt and fear, and it will keep your mind focused on the truth of God's promises. Lay down your burdens and let go of the worries that have been weighing you down, dear child. This is the last night you will cry, because I am here to comfort and restore you. The pain and stress that have consumed your heart are not yours to carry any longer. I am with you, ready to strengthen what is weak in you, to heal what is broken, and to resurrect the peace and love that may have faded in your life. Remember that I am your refuge and strength when the darkness of night seems too heavy to bear. I know the struggles you go through and the tears you shed, but don't lose hope. From this point on, I will pour out my healing upon you, reviving your spirit and bringing back your joy. What has been lost will be found again, and what has been broken will be made whole. Trust in me, for I am the one who breathes life into the empty spaces of your soul, just as I have promised to heal what is sick in you, mending the visible and invisible wounds that have caused you so much suffering. Nothing is beyond my reach, not disease, heartbreak, or despair. I am your comforter, healer, and restorer. The parts of you that have withered from the wind of hardships and sufferings will receive fresh life from me. Jesus said, I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me will never go hungry. Whoever believes in me will never be thirsty. In me you will find everything you need: strength for your weakness, healing for your pain, and sustenance for your soul. I am the source of all that is good. The peace and love that seemed far away now will be revived, blossoming anew within your heart. Come to me and you will never be without the wellspring of life and love that never runs out, because I will fill you with my grace and lead you through every storm. Let go of the worries and fears that have held you captive and accept the peace that I offer, peace that transcends all comprehension. Hold on to the assurance that I will never abandon you or forsake you. Remark. Tonight is the last night of your tears and the start of your healing. To confirm your faith in me and know that better times are ahead, trust in Jesus, the Lord. My love for you is unending and my plans for you are full of hope and a future. As you embark on the glorious journey of a new day, let the radiant light of hope and promise bathe your spirit. It is vital to heed the divine counsel that urges you to cast away the shadows of yesterday's tribulations and embrace the dawn with a heart brimming